Testing first round, AK-47.
Okay. Are you gonna shoot? I guess.
First round. Put it on safe. That's a 7.62 by 39. We shot 2 rounds to the steel plate. If it was standard steel, it would have went right through it. So what in ballistics, this round barely did any dent at a 7.62 by 39. It barely dented it. So it's a good sign that a 223-556 is not going to get anywhere near that. Again, it barely even did anything to it. Just scraped off a little bit of the paint. I'm assuming the round exploded. There is pieces of signs of it in different locations. That's an awesome target. Okay, we'll try the next round, the 223.
Gun.
So my nephew is the one who's going to be shooting the ar15, and we're going to see if he has any skills. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure the distance. I'm thinking it's about close to 40 yards from here. Excuse me. I think it's about 40 yards from here to the steel plate. So at 40 yards with the 7.62, no sight, so iron sights. The distance on the rounds, it's about maybe 3/4 of an inch. So that's pretty good. And I wasn't even trying to aim at the same location, so that tells you, the rifle is pretty good. So here you go. Come on, sit there. Put it on, sits right there, okay? We'll adjust this to you. It's 223. Don't do it, nothing yet, okay? Watch your hand. We're gonna load around. It's still on